Hey guys, it's Ella here. So if you want to see how I got this golden cornrow braids, please continue to watch. I started off on freshly washed hair. Well, actually I washed my hair the night before braiding this. But on both sides of my head, I'm going to be doing two small cornrows halfway, like lining up with my ear or a little behind my ear on both sides. And you can look up how to do cornrows wherever you want, but I would braid the cornrows and then I'm just twisting the ends because I am going to connect the cornrows with the hair, the bigger section of my hair. So two on this side and I'm going to do two on my other side. So that's how it's looking. So here I already braided my hair. I've sectioned my hair into three sections to braid in cornrows. My hair right now, you see how it's looking white and flaky. I used the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Restore Smoothie, and I can tell you I'm not a fan of this. It's really flaky and you can see my hair, like I said, all the white flakes staying in it. I did it last night after I washed my hair. I just wanted something to put in as a leave-in, and the next morning while styling my hair, it was so flaky and just kept coming off on my shoulder, and you can see my hair right now, it looks dirty. So but that's what I had at the moment, so I still added it in my hair, but I don't like it. It smells really nice, but it's not something I'm going to use in my hair again after this. So I like using stuff from Shea Moisture, but I can say this one, the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Restore Smoothie, is not my favorite. So it's not the one that's a hair mask. It's just you're supposed to style your hair, but as you can tell, it does not work well with my hair. I'm a 4C, and I don't know if that matters, if it's the product or if it's my hair texture, whatever, but it doesn't work. So back to me braiding my hair. I'm just doing three big cornrows all going down. Now you can add extra hair extensions if you want your hair to be longer or have a different style to it. You can do that, but I want to be able to do more styles with my natural hair and accepting my hair. So this is something I wanted to try. Also, you can put some gel on your edges if you want to lay it down, but I'm just trying to embrace my hair as much as possible. So I'm pulling it as I go to make the braids stay flat, and here you can see that I'm connecting the two smaller cornrows that I did earlier into my hair, and I'm going to continue to braid it all the way down. So just check it out. It gets bigger as I go, and I keep adding this Shea Moisture thing that's not on my list. No, I just saw it was in my mom's room, so I took it. Yeah, you can also add some oil on your hair as well. After I braided all of my hair, I went and I put some oil on my scalp because this thing made my hair flaky and it just looked ashy. It just looked like my hair was not washed, and I washed it the night before. But anyway, I just braided my hair, as you can see here, all the way down. And you add some more whatever moisturizer you have at the end of your hair if you feel that it's getting dry. I did three big sections. You can do it smaller if you want, but I wanted something goddess looking, so that's why I made the braids bigger. And this section I braided all the way at the end instead of twisting it, because I'm going to mix them together. But after braiding my hair, I bought this little hair jewelry thing. It was $2.99 from my local beauty store. I would say you guys should definitely try to use a crochet pin, but I couldn't find mine at the time and I had to do my hair, so I'm just using a bobby pin here to pull the hair, this golden hair accessory through. And that was so difficult because the bobby pin would get stuck in my hair and it will pull on my hair, and it wasn't coming as fast as I wanted. But here's what I'm doing. I'm just putting it in here and attempting to do a different way with the bobby pin, which also was like a fail. but if you have crochet pen, you should definitely use that. It would be so simple. After doing this, I was like, forget it, I'm just gonna use my fingers, and I'm just trying to twist it under and over in my hair. So using my finger when I didn't have the crochet pin was helpful, because I was able to use my finger and push it through and just twist it all the way down. So I'm just doing kind of crossover under style. So I didn't braid my hair with this hair accessory. I'm doing it afterwards. So I'm doing it, pushing it in, twisting it over, having like a little crisscross kind of style all the way down. And my hair at the end is already, I braided all 3 of the big braids together to make one like knot. So you could do that like me, or add extension and let it hang, but I wanted this style. That's what I was going for. So using my finger, pushing the hair, this golden accessory through, under and over, and it was easier with my finger than the bobby pin. I can say that for sure. Easier and faster, and I didn't get hooked or pulling out my hair in it. In my store, they had different colors of these, but I wanted gold, so I want to try another time with a different color. We'll see how that will look. So I'm just going all the way down, wrapping it to the end, and trying to loop it more on the hair. And when I'm done with all of it, that's how it's looking. So you can see here, it's so much faster just using my finger. I went in there using my finger, pushing it through the hair. It helps because I have nails, so if you don't have nails, it might be a little difficult for you. So like I said, I'm just crossing it over, making like an X, and pushing it in my hair, and using my other hand, my other fingers, to find it and pull it out. I'm just gonna continue and work my way all the way down the end of this hair. You can see the gold is definitely cute. It's a pop of color, so excited for that. I'm gonna continue the rest of the hair like that. So I came back to this hair because how I was doing it, this is the first one I did with the bobby pin, and it was messing up, and you can see I have a bigger gap of my hair showing, so I want to add some more gold on there to cover it a little more. And once again, using my finger is faster, just to have more gold in the front of my hair showing and covering my braids a little, to make the design a little better and neater. So I just added my little leftovers here, twisting it under. You can see my finger, using my finger to pull it in the underneath my hair, and crossing it over like so, and twisting it. You can just do your style however you want to. I was just eyeing it and see whatever was working for my hairstyle. And here I'm kind of done here. Gonna just try one more time just to make sure that it stays. So you just have to try and see what works for you. And I'm tying it because I have this little leftover, and I will be like pushing it inside my braids so it can stay, so it's not going to be showing out there at all. I think this is a fairly easy style to try, so test it out at home. And thanks you guys so much for watching. Comment and subscribe. Bye.